The 10 most powerful and ferocious male lions in history.
These lions have taken down Bengal tigers, defeated giant Siberian tigers, and even killed black bears and grizzly bears in North America.
As a symbol of strength, the lion is considered the king of the savanna, with a roar that instills fear in many surrounding species.
Beautiful yet deadly, lions are apex predators that dominate every ecosystem they inhabit. Today, let's explore the 10 most powerful lions in history with new TV. 1. Leo the Lion, India, 1951.
In 1951, at a zoo in Jamnagar, India, a lion named Leo fought and defeated a fully grown Bengal tiger. The 18-year-old tiger, named Vikama, had been given to the zoo by the Jamnagar government in 1949. Initially, the two animals were kept in separate enclosures. However, due to a caretaker's mistake, the cage door was left open, allowing the two predators to clash. In the end, the 18-year-old tiger was savagely bitten by Leo and lost its life. The battle between tigers and lions has always been a topic of great debate.
Which one is stronger?
Everyone has their own opinion, and both species have their supporters.
Scientists, major news outlets, zookeepers, and wildlife tour guides have all studied the fights between these two apex predators.
The history of tiger versus lion battles is long, with victories on both sides. However, in this particular fight, the Bengal tiger was ultimately defeated by the mighty and majestic Leo.
2. Rover the Lion, 1911.
In 1911, veteran animal trainer Bostock recounted a story that haunted him during a television interview. It was the story of a lion named Rover that killed a male tiger named Mentor. Tigers are often called the lords of the jungle because they live in dense forests and sit at the top of the food chain, while lions are known as the kings of the savanna for their dominance over the grasslands. Because of this, battles between these two predators always attract great interest. In this particular fight, the king of the savanna, Rover, emerged victorious. After the battle, Bostock witnessed Rover snap Mentor's neck, step over its lifeless body, and let out a thunderous roar, a declaration of his triumph.
3. Brint the Lion, USA. Brint was one of the most famous lions in the United States, but there was another lion named Green, raised by Night Beauty, a renowned zoo owner in America during the 1940s. Green was Knight's favorite pet and was often entered into battles. Throughout his career, Green fought and killed a total of 5 fully grown tigers, consisting of 3 females and 2 males. This demonstrated his incredible strength and combat ability. Once again, this was another fierce battle between a lion and a tiger.
And, with his overwhelming power, Green easily defeated his natural rival.
4. Nero the Lion, 1822. In 1822, an Englishman named Jobrio organized a wildlife exhibition, featuring lions, bears, tigers, and various other animals.
During the event, a lion named Nero was having a snack before his performance when a North American black bear suddenly appeared and attempted to steal his food. Nero immediately roared and launched a ferocious attack using his sharp claws and powerful muscles. By the time the caretakers arrived to intervene, it was already too late. The bear's spine had been snapped like a twig.
As we know, both lions and black bears are apex predators in their respective habitats. The North American black bear is considered one of the strongest omnivores and can be found across 4 different continents. On the other hand, lions are the kings of the savanna, but since they are only found in Africa and parts of India, they rarely encounter bears in the wild. There is little concrete evidence regarding which of the two would win in a head-to-head battle.
The sheer size and brute strength of a bear usually give it a major advantage over a lion. Even if a lion manages to get close enough to attack, it would still struggle significantly and take a long time to land a decisive blow on a large bear like the black bear. However, in this battle, Nero single-handedly took down a fully grown North American black bear, proving just how powerful and aggressive he truly was.
5. King Edward the Lion, 1924.
In 1924, the newspaper Lind News published an article about a lion named King Edward, raised from cub to adulthood by a trainer named Lucy Ozawa. One day, Edward fell ill and was kept in an enclosure next to a Bengal tiger named Den. Noticing Edward's weakened state, Den constantly provoked him. During a shared feeding session, the Bengal tiger aggressively approached and attempted to steal Edward's food. Before the zookeepers could intervene, Edward counterattacked, unleashing a flurry of powerful strikes and killing the tiger.
Did you know?
A fully grown lion spends most of its adult life in combat, dedicating less time to eating and more time to fighting.
Lions have their own unique battle adaptations. Their mane acts as a natural shield, protecting their neck from fatal bites.
When fighting, lions engage like wrestlers, facing their opponent head-on, locking onto them, and trying to gain the upper hand through sheer strength. This is why lions do not hesitate to fight tigers, and Edward serves as a clear example of the legendary lion versus tiger battles.
6. Zin the Lion, 1949. In 1949, a 453 kilograms, 1,000 pounds Siberian tiger was brought into a circus to prepare for a show.
At the time, no one had ever seen such a massive tiger. At the same circus, there was a lion named Zin, trained by an American named L.K. Igudo. During a performance, Zin and the tiger suddenly turned on each other, engaging in a brutal fight. However, the battle lasted only a few minutes. Zin emerged victorious, killing the massive Siberian tiger.
But that wasn't all. In another deadly encounter, Zin suddenly attacked a North American grizzly bear and nearly tore its head off.
Everyone present at the scene was stunned, as they had never witnessed a lion so ferocious. A fully grown grizzly bear is no small opponent. It is usually 1.5 times the size of a lion and can stand on two legs for long periods, giving it a major height and reach advantage. This makes it extremely difficult for a lion to launch an attack without being struck down first. Yet Zin managed to nearly decapitate a grizzly bear, proving that his strength was absolutely terrifying.
###9. Sultan the Lion, the Great Warrior ****.
Sultan was the most famous lion in Claypotti's circus and was also regarded as the greatest warrior of that era. One day, Sultan fought against Nero and defeated him, becoming the new leader of the arena. Nero was already an incredibly powerful lion, having managed to take down a fully grown North American black bear. Yet, Sultan was able to defeat Nero, proving that he was even stronger and more dominant. In 1932, Sultan was cast in a movie called Big Cat, but during filming, he killed his co-star, a Bengal tiger. The film crew had no choice but to replace Sultan with a less aggressive lion to ensure the fight scenes could be completed properly. Before this, Sultan had also defeated numerous tigers throughout his career, including Siberian tigers, Bengal tigers, and even the fierce tabby tiger.